Hello everybody, today we can see about Quidel Triage NT-proBNP Test. Over here we can see the brand name, then product name, Quidel Triage NT-proBNP Test. On the bottom we can see this box contains a 25 ounces of test device, 25 ounces of transfer pipettes, 1 ounce of reagent code chip module, 1 ounce of one printer paper roll, 1 ounce of product inside guide. This is our overall top view of this product. This is our front view of this product. In this side we can see the brand name and the product name, Quidel Triage NT-proBNP Test. Now we can see the other side. On this side we can see the product name and brand name, Quidel Triage NT-proBNP Test, then manufacturing date and expiry date and out number, then reference number. The reference number of this product 98700 EU. On the back side we can see the Quidel Triage NT-proBNP Test. This box contains 25 test device, 25 pipettes, 1 chip, then 1 printer paper roll. On this side we can see the product name and brand name, then manufacturing details also. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After opening this, in the top we can see one CD drive. We can see one CD drive. In the CD drive we can see the brand name and then product name, Quidel Triage NT-proBNP Test, and keep this aside. The next one is instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name and product name, Quidel Triage NT-proBNP Test. This kit contains intent use, summary, explanation of test, warnings and precautions, reagents and materials approved. There are a lot of instructions in this, and keep this aside. On the next one we see the 25 ounces of pipettes, a packet in a cover. You see this is 25 ounces of pipettes, and keep this aside. On the next one is a reagent module chip packed in a L pack. Here we can see reagent module chip. I keep this aside. And the next one is a printer paper roll, 1 ounce. I will keep this aside. The next one is here we can see the cartridges of NT-proBNP Test. Total of 25 ounces, a packed in a box. Here we can see, I'm taking one for your reference. Here we can see clearly NT-proBNP. Here we can see the expiry date, manufacturing date, and how to handling this. This one contains one total of 25 ounces. Here we go for summary. Today we can see a Quidel Triage NT-proBNP Test. This kit contains one CD drive, one instruction manual, the 25 ounces of pipette, one printer paper roll, a reagent code chip module 1, then 25 ounces of NT-proBNP Test. This is the overall view. Thank you.